Okay guys, this is Tracy. I just wanted to show you a quick video on how you can ungroup and use this week's free Porch Life Suway Art SVG. So this is what it's going to look like when it lands on your canvas. You can resize it to whatever you need. But over here on the layers panel, you can see everything that is included with your design. So we're going to go ahead and right click and ungroup it. Okay, and if you drop these down, you can see what's included. These are all the words. The reason they are only grouped and not attached, which means if you're not familiar with what I'm saying here, when you go to click make, because they are only grouped, your words are going to be all over the place, okay? Whereas if we go back and we click on this, which selects all the words, and you click attach, now when you go to make this, all of your words are going to cut exactly where they need to be. Okay, the B and these little dots right here are also black, so you can go back and attach those, but I wanted to show you that now they'll cut where they're supposed to be as they're seen on the design. Okay, but the reason that I did not attach that, let's go back here. If you wanted to change the colors of any of the words, you can. So let's say you really want to do this one in blue, this one in purple, this one in yellow. You can change the colors, but if you want them black, just go ahead and attach them. Same thing with that B there. If you wanted to, we can go ahead and ungroup that because the yellow is sitting on top of it. We can then go back to here and attach this, and then find that little B, hit your shift button and click the attach again. And attach, and now that's going to cut all together. You can always test by coming over here to see what it looks like. Okay, so that's going to cut together. Those little dots right here, all the little black dots that you see, is it this one? Yeah, those are all the dots. I did the same thing with those in case you wanted to change the colors. So again, if you wanted to do, like yellow dots, the little coral color to match, you could go ahead and do that too. That's totally your preference, but that's why I did not attach any of those. But again, if you wanted them to be black, you could just go through, attach them, and then attach to that. Go ahead and check it out. Make sure that they are going to cut right. And they do. They're all together. Okay. And then with your little B here, and we have all the flowers, I basically did the same thing. So let's go ahead and move this B up to the top so you can still see the yellow on the top. But you could go through and you could attach the yellow pieces of the flower if you wanted to. The reason I did not attach those is if, let me go ahead and ungroup everything here. So we right click and ungroup it. Same with this one. I'm just going to do a couple of them real quick so you can see what I mean. If you were to go through and grab the yellow pieces that you see right here and click attach, when you go to make this, Cricut is going to put all this together. Okay, so you're going to waste a whole lot of vinyl through here if you have attached this. Whereas if you just leave them so they are not attached, now you have your pieces like this, and they're easier to place. You could just go through when you get your design all cut out, like with your vinyl or whatever you're choosing to use, then you could just place your flower pieces right in there. So I just wanted to go ahead and point that out so you guys could see all the options right here. If you wanted to personalize this, you could add somebody's name in here. You could even take out one of these words if you wanted to just put their name right through here. You could do that as well. On the blog post I do have where I added the Lewis family at the bottom of the mock-up that I have for the garden flag. I left the names of all the fonts that you see right here because I am a font hoarder, and of course if I see a font that I love, I want to know what it is. So I assume that you guys do too. But getting back to what I was saying, I added the Lewis family at the bottom of the garden flag. I left the name of that font that I used on the blog post as well. So go ahead and check that out. You guys can grab this week's freebie. It is in the freebie library. It is design number 276, the Porch Life Suway Art design. I hope you guys love this design. If you make it, I want to see it. So come on over to the Facebook group and show it off. I love seeing what you guys make with my freebies. Thanks for being here, guys. Until next time, have a wonderful day on purpose.